All right, here we go. Market outlook. So we have the S&P finally ticking new all-time highs. Incredible run from lows. When we're just kind of in this uptrend still. You know, Nasdaq still leads the way, getting very parabolic at this point. The one thing that worries about me about the market right now is the complacency of bulls. I was talking about over the weekend in the shakedown how we're at record lows or decade lows and people short the market right now. So that's generally when you do start to see the selling, you know, when no one's short, that's when they pull the rug. But you can't really time those things like that. You know, and we're just grinding higher. You know, you saw the first pullback we had 4 days ago. You know, the gap down, we just got bought up and we just had 4 straight up days coming off that. So, you know, the trend is your friend. Keep riding it out. I know Bennett wanted me to point out that the last time we had a kind of a blue sky breakout, right here, when we broke these highs and then we just kind of floated up. We had this little pullback here and we just floated up to these new record highs. Before, you know, the massive sell-off, you know, that was news related and stuff, but, you know, we could see this type of move out of the market, you know, as we just continue to grind higher. I'm personally not like 100% max risk on right now. You know, I did really well in this part. We got the end of summer coming out, volume's low. So I'm kind of chilling these next 2 weeks, getting my mind right for last quarter. That's generally when I make the most money. So I want to have all the mental capital possible there. Some market news, changes to the Dow Jones. So we got, you know, Dow 30, price weighted index, doesn't really matter much to me, but Exxon, you're out. Pfizer, you're out. Raytheon, you're out. Okay.
Grocery!
I caught it. You're out.
But I ticked it. It hit the bed.
You're still out.
You're still fat. I ticked it.
Salesforce, you're in. They're making a shift towards tech. Amgen, you're in. Honeywell, you're in. All right, so with that being said, kind of just stick to the status quo right now for the market. We're just, you know, in this vicious uptrend. Let's see what we got. Remember,